Good morning, my dear students. So let's begin the class with the tradition. So raise your hands to tell me the example of idiom of the week. One hand has been raised, and that is of Javi. Yes, bete.
When the teacher saw students cheating in the exam, she was on the fire line.
She was on the firing line. Okay. Any other? Ramneek.
If he fails on his third try in the exam, he will be on the fire line.
Right. Firing line, bete. Firing line. Right examples. Chaliye, let's begin with the topic of our today's English class, and that is adjectives. Let me share my screen. Yes, dear students. So just raise your hands to tell me the definition of adjective. What is an adjective? Yes, I'm waiting. Raise your hands. Yes, Vanshika Mishra.
An adjective is a noun that tells something about a noun or a pronoun.
Okay. Adjective is a word that tells something about a noun or a pronoun, right? Okay, Tanvi.
Adjective is a word that tells more about a noun or a pronoun.
Right. Nimita.
Adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun.
Okay, an adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun, right? So example is Raman is an intelligent boy. So boy is a noun here. So this word is telling about this word boy. तो अगर हमें यहाँ boy के बारे में पता चल रहा है, तो that means that word is adjective because it is specifying a noun. So simple सी बात है, जो noun के आगे आके उसको specify करे, that word is an adjective. So there are 7 days in a week. So 7 is adjective here. We go to school with our books. हम अपनी books के साथ जाते हैं. तो our is again specifying books. I haven't much work to do. Much is specifying work. So all these words which are underlined in red color, those are adjectives, right? So let's proceed towards the types of the adjectives. Okay, first I tell you, you yourself will tell me how many types of adjectives are there. Yes, Pate, how many types of adjectives are there? Aditi?
8 types of adjectives.
Hanji, name them.
Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, proper adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective,
Possessive, distributive. Right? So adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, distributive adjective, and proper adjective. So we'll discuss all the kinds one by one. So first of all, it is adjective of quality. As the name suggests, ये हमें quality बताता है किसी चीज की, किसी person की, किसी चीज की. Adjective of quality describes the quality of a person or a thing. Like I have a nice teddy. तो nice क्या बता रहा है? Teddy की quality बता रहा है कि it looks very nice in appearance, है ना? तो nice is adjective of quality. The foolish man cried loudly. Now foolish is describing the quality of a person. Man की quality बता रहा है ना यहाँ पर foolish. So foolish is adjective of quality. She is very polite. Polite भी again. Now this is telling us the quality of that girl. She की quality बता रहा है. यहाँ noun की qualities बता रहे थे, यहाँ pronoun की quality है, but it is telling the quality of a person. She is very polite. So that means all the words given in red color are adjectives of quality. And it answers the question of what kind. Mostly ये what kind का आंसर हमें बताते हैं. So adjective of quality. Next is adjective of quantity. What is adjective of quantity? As the name suggests, it specifies the quantity of something. क्वांटिटी वो होती है जिसको हम वे करते हैं, जिसको हम मेजर करते हैं, ठीक है, जिसको हम वे कर सकते हैं, जिसको हम मेजर कर सकते हैं, एंड दोज आर नॉट काउंटेबल, दोज आर नॉट काउंटेबल। सो जो नॉन काउंटेबल थिंग्स हैं, when we talk about those kinds of things and when we want to describe those kinds of things, then that word which is specifying that the noun, that is adjective of quantity. See here, I have enough money. But rupees are countable, but money is not countable. money में हमारी बहुत सारी चीजें आ जाती हैं, हमारे शेयर्स, डिबेंचर्स, हमारे पैसे, हमारी प्रॉपर्टी, मतलब कि जब हम कहते हैं कि उसके पास बहुत ही कुछ है, बड़ा पैसा, so that is uncountable. Only we can count rupees. So there is a difference, you must know about it. So money को भी जो word specify कर रहा है, that is adjective of quantity. He has little knowledge. Okay, just tell me, can you count someone's knowledge?
No,
हाँ?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
नो
No,
मैम,
ma'am.
आप ये तो नहीं कह सकते कि देखो वो 1 किलो इंटेलिजेंट है, सॉरी वो 2 इंटेलिजेंट है, 2 नंबर इंटेलिजेंट है, या कुछ भी ऐसे करके नहीं कर सकते ना, हम उसको काउंट नहीं कर सकते. वी कैन ओनली फील दैट थिंग. सो दिस इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. गिव मी सम राइस. नाउ राइस को कैन यू काउंट राइस?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
आप राइस कैसे लेते हो?
Kgs.
केजीज में, मींस दैट इज वेट. उसका वे किया जाता है, उसका वेट किया जाता है, WEIGHT वेट. तो उसका भार तोला जाता है. Whenever we eat rice, we cannot say कि हमने जी 1000 grains of rice खाए. We never say this. या हम कभी लेने जाते हैं, we never say the shopkeeper की अंकल जी हमें 5000 grains of rice दे दीजिए. That is not possible for us. So we just weigh this thing. So this is adjective of quantity. Okay. Next is adjective of number. अब नंबर से भी बिल्कुल क्लियर है, the things which we can count, जो countable things हैं, जिसका हम नंबर बता सकते हैं, that is adjective of number. If I say I have 4 apples, तो apples आप काउंट कर सकते हो कि नहीं? चाहे आपके सामने 100 एप्पल्स पड़े हो, कैन यू काउंट दोस और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is adjective of number. Next is many friends helped me. अब friends जो हैं बेटे, friends को आप वे करते हो कि इनको मेजर करते हो कि काउंट करते हो अपने friends को?
Count.
काउंट करते हैं. So अगर many भी दिया है, hardly matters. अगर many friends ने भी हमारी हेल्प की, तो we know कि 6 to 8 friends helped us, 10 friends helped us. Even then this is a countable number, right? So this is adjective of number. Mala won the first prize. अब देखिए बेटे, ये जो ऑर्डर है किसी चीज का, हम क्लास में फर्स्ट आते हैं, सेकंड आते हैं, थर्ड आते हैं, मींस वी आर जस्ट इन ऑर्डर. तो वहां भी इट इज काउंटेबल. वो प्राइस तो काउंटेबल है ना कि उसने फर्स्ट प्राइज लिया है. So this is also adjective of number, and it answers the questions how many or in what order. How many, जैसे how many 4, how many friends, and what is the order. Order क्या है? First order. Next is demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective is used to point out some person or a thing. जब हम किसी को इशारा करके किसी की चीज के बारे में बताते हैं, उसको demonstrate करते हैं. So that is known as demonstrative adjective. If I say that book is mine, so that here is referring to the book. That जो है वो book के साथ आके उसकी quality बता रहा है, उसके बारे में बता रहा है, not quality बता रहा है, उसके बारे में बता रहा है. It is adding something to the meaning of this book. So here that is demonstrative adjective. और demonstrative में 5-6 words ही होते हैं, like this, that, these, those, such, yonder, etc. करके, right? और ये example देखिए, that is my book. कहने को if we see the meaning of both the sentences is same, but the way of writing is different. Here that is referring to the book, but here that is not referring to the book. It is not demonstrating this book. That के बाद verb आ गई है, तो it will act as a pronoun. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone how to identify an adjective?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
एक एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी को छोड़कर बाकी जितने भी एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं, all the adjectives are followed by a noun. सबके पीछे नाउन आता है. अगर किसी के पीछे नाउन नहीं आता तो that means that is not an adjective. Is it clear? Okay. Those students are hardworking. Again, those is referring to these students. So those is demonstrative adjective. But if I say those are hardworking students, but those here is not referring to the students. This word is not followed by a noun. So it is not an adjective. Right? बेटे मुझे ना साथ साथ में रिस्पॉन्स देते रहा करो कि हाँ जी मैम, यस मैम. अगर if you feel
Yes,
any
ma'am.
problem, if you have any doubt, even then you can tell.
yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट इज इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव. इंटेरोगेटिव हमें पता है इंटेरोगेट करना क्या होता है, क्वेश्चनिंग करना. सो द वर्ड्स व्हिच हेल्प अस टू क्वेश्चन, those words are known as interrogative adjective, but the condition is same, it should be followed by a noun. For example, which umbrella is yours? Which is your umbrella? बात सेम है, but here which is referring to umbrella, but here which is referring to is. यहाँ this is followed by a noun, but here in this sentence it is not followed by a noun. So here it is adjective, and in this case it is pronoun. Whose book is this? Whose के बाद book आ रहा है, noun आ रहा है, that means it is an adjective. Whose is interrogative adjective, but here whose is this book? Whose is interrogative pronoun. Possessive adjective. Again, as the name suggests, possession जो show करे. The words which help us to know the possession of a thing, those words are known as possessive adjective. See examples. This is my pen. किसका pen है? My pen. Your dresses are beautiful. Whose dresses are beautiful? Your dresses are beautiful. Our car needs repair. Whose car needs repair? Our. So my, your, our are possessive adjective. But if I talk about possessive pronouns, those end with s, like yours, ours, his, hers, है ना. Mine, सिर्फ my का जो वो mine बनता है, otherwise those end with s. So those are possessive adjective. Next is distributive adjective. So distributive adjectives show that the persons or things from a group are taken one at time. अब group है, but हम उनमें से एक टाइम पर एक चीज की बात कर रहे हैं, उसमें से हम एक टाइम पर एक चीज की बात करें. So those are known as distributive adjective. It contains only and only four words. That is each, every, either, and neither. Each, every, either, and neither. Is it clear, bete? Like
Yes, ma'am.
each
Yes,
man.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay.
Yes,
Each
ma'am.
man has his own opinion. Every student scored well in exams. He can write with either hand. Neither house is in good condition. So did you notice something here? Each adjective is followed by a noun. Each is followed by man. Every is followed by student. Either is followed by hand, and neither is followed by house. So these are nouns, and the words which are underlined in red color, those are adjectives. So these are distributive adjectives. The next one is proper adjective. So proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. Hanji bete, just tell me what are proper nouns. Raise your hands and tell me. Prof. Thakur, what is proper noun, bachche?
Ma'am, a noun is a noun which is special about something.
Special about something? No. Anyone else? Janvi Duggal.
Which is used for a particular thing.
A noun which is used for telling the name of someone.
Some particular place or thing or person. देखिए बेटे, अगर मैं बात करूं country, so country is a common noun. But if I specifically say India, so what is India?
Proper noun.
Proper noun. If I say country, then again it is common noun. But if I say China, so what is China?
A proper noun.
Proper noun. So you must be, these things should be on your tips कि how to describe this thing. अब हम सेकंड या फर्स्ट क्लास के बच्चे नहीं है कि मैं आपको हर चीज की डेफिनेशन सिखाऊंगी, है ना. So it must be on your tips. So if I say he lives in India, so India is a proper noun, but if I say he is an Indian soldier, Indian अब किससे बना है बेटे?
India.
India से. So India is a
India
proper
word
noun. India से बना Indian and it is again followed by a noun. So here Indian is a proper adjective. He went to China. What is China?
Proper noun.
Proper noun. China से बना Chinese. So I like Chinese food. Again, it is followed by a noun. So Chinese is adjective and that is proper adjective. So these are the 8 kinds of the adjectives. हाँ जी बेटे, अभी मेरे को आप बताएंगे इन 8 kinds में से किसी को क्या समझ नहीं आया? यस बेटे, कौन सी काइंड समझ नहीं आई है? यू विल टेल मी.
Excuse me, ma'am.
डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव. लेट मी शेयर द स्क्रीन. अच्छा, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन क्या होती है बेटे? डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन क्या होती है?
बांटना.
To distribute things among all.
बांटना. जब हम बांटते हैं तो हम पूरे ग्रुप को तो बांटते हैं, लेकिन एक टाइम में कितने को बांटते हैं? एक को बांट सकते हैं. इज इट पॉसिबल कि देयर इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ 40 people in front of us and we have 40 hands and we are distributing, I mean equally to everyone. हम 40 hands के साथ 40 persons को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं. इज इट पॉसिबल? यू टेल मी. तो हम कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं? हाउ डू वी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट? हाउ डू वी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट बच्चे?
One by one.
One by one. मतलब कि from the whole group we are distributing to one. So in the same way, distributive adjectives show that the persons or things from a group are taken one at a time from a group. One at a time from a group. ग्रुप में से जब हम एक चीज के बारे में बात करते हैं या एक चीज को ही लिया जाता है. And there are only 4 words in distributive adjective, that is each, every, either and neither. Each, every, either and neither. And the second condition is these words should be followed by noun. Okay? So each man has his own opinion. हर एक बंदे की अपनी ओपिनियन है. ग्रुप में से हर एक बंदा मैटर कर रहा है. So each and every. So every student scored well in exams. Although there is a group of students, but हम हर एक पर्सनली बच्चे की बात करेंगे कि हर स्टूडेंट ने स्कोर अच्छा किया. He can write with either hand. How many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. So he can write with either hand. दोनों में से किसी हैंड से भी वो लिख सकता है, चाहे लेफ्ट से चाहे राइट से. Although there are more than one hands, but we are talking about one hand at a time. Neither house is in good condition. मतलब suppose उसके पास 2 घर हैं या 4 घर हैं या 5 घर हैं या 3 घर हैं, but neither house is in good condition. उनमें से कोई भी घर अच्छी कंडीशन में नहीं है. Now is it clear, हरनूर?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. Good if it is clear to you, but still if you feel any doubt you can always ask me. Okay.